Welcome to Test Tube U, your local university of phlebotomy tubes. Today, we are taking a look at the order of draw. What is the order of draw in phlebotomy? Well, first of all, we need to realize the importance of the work of the phlebotomist in the diagnosis for the patient. What does that mean? That means that if we do not draw the right tube for the right test under the right conditions, the doctor may not have the accurate results to give the patient the diagnosis. So it's very important that we know which bottle, which tube, which order we draw the tubes in. Usually when we think about the order of draw, we try to remember acronyms and mnemonics in order to remember what comes first and what comes next. But I'm going to make this very simple for you today. Ready? Think of it in two stages. One set of 4 and the other set of 4. So think of it in stages. Number 1 in the first set of 4s is the blood culture test, which is in the aerobic and the anaerobic bottle. And if we don't have the bottles, then we use our yellow top tube, the SPS tube. The SPS tube is the sodium polyanthol tube. Next, we have the light blue top tube. Why is this next? This tube is very peculiar. This is the only tube they will ever ask you for the blood to additive ratio, which must be 9:1. 9 parts blood and 1 part sodium citrate. After that, we have the clotting tubes. The red top that doesn't have any thixotropic gel barrier, and then the SST tube. This one has a gel separator called the thixotropic gel that separates the serum from the clot. Now we're on to the second set of 4. Easy peasy. We have the light green top tube that has a thixotropic gel as well that separates this time the plasma from the red blood cells. And after that, his sister is the dark green top tube that does not have a gel separator. Finally, we have the last two, which is the purple top tube. It has an EDTA and it is known to be the tube that has the most problem when it comes to carry over of the additive. Because if this tube came further up in the order of draw, it would definitely influence and negatively affect the results from these other tubes and tests. And finally is Mr. Gray Top Tube. So let's recap on the order of draw. Here's the first set of 4. Blood culture, light blue top tube, red top tube, and the SST tube. And in the second set of 4 is Mr. Light Green, which is the PST tube, the deep green, his sister, lavender, and gray. So now you can remember the order of draw. This is incredibly important because we do not want to have crossover contamination. Thank you for tuning in to Test Tube U, your local university of phlebotomy tubes. I'm Delette Miller from PMI, the Phlebotomy Mastery Institute. See you next time.